The evolution of neon signs. Illuminating history and modernity. Neon signs have an almost magical quality. Their vibrant colors and unique glow have been lighting up streets, businesses, and landmarks for over a century, and their evolution is nothing short of fascinating. Let's journey through the history and transformation of these iconic signs. The birth of neon. The story of neon signs begins in the late 19th century when scientists began to explore the properties of gases and electricity. Sir William Ramsay, a Scottish chemist, discovered neon gas in 1898. However, it wasn't until 1910 that Georges Claude, a French engineer, created the first neon lamp, which was displayed at the Paris Motor Show in 1910. This innovation marked the birth of neon signs. The Golden Age of Neon. The 1920s and 1930s witnessed the Golden Age of neon signs. They rapidly gained popularity in Europe and the United States. The vibrant, eye-catching colors and the ability to create intricate designs made neon signs a hit for businesses wanting to stand out. Neon in pop culture. Neon signs became iconic symbols of the American dream and urban life. They graced theaters, diners, motels, and countless storefronts. Hollywood contributed to their allure, making neon signs an integral part of film noir and later the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas. The decline and resurgence. The 1950s and 1960s saw a decline in neon signs' popularity due to the emergence of cheaper alternatives like plastic signage and fluorescent lighting. Many iconic neon signs were taken down or replaced. However, in recent decades, there has been a resurgence of interest in preserving and restoring these vintage signs, leading to a revival of neon art. Modern neon. While neon signs are deeply rooted in history, they continue to evolve. Modern neon signs incorporate advanced technologies, including LED lighting, which can mimic the look of traditional neon while being more energy efficient and durable. This fusion of tradition and innovation allows businesses and artists to create stunning visual displays. Conclusion. The evolution of neon signs from their birth in the early 20th century to their resurgence in the 21st century is a testament to their enduring appeal. These luminous works of art have not only illuminated our streets but also left an indelible mark on our culture. Whether embracing the vintage charm of classic neon or exploring the possibilities of modern iterations, neon signs remain a vibrant and captivating aspect of our visual landscape, and they continue to evolve with the times, adapting to the ever-changing needs of businesses and artistic expression. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.